Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now. Cleanse with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser, massaging for about 30 to 60 seconds to remove oils and grime. Once rinsed, pat your face dry but keep it slightly damp because moisture helps serums penetrate. Next, use your toner, 2 to 4 drops in your palm or a single mist, and press it into your skin. This balances pH and removes trace impurities, so your serum will work more effectively on fresh, prepped skin. Once your toner is absorbed, dispense 2 to 3 drops of serum and dot them across forehead, cheeks, and chin. Make sure you tap and press the serum in with your fingertips rather than rubbing, because pressing helps it sink into the skin without stressing it. If you use multiple serums, layer water-based formulas first and oil-based ones last. Give each layer about 30 to 60 seconds to absorb so ingredients don't dilute one another and can act where they're most effective. Finish by sealing the serum with a moisturizer or sunscreen. In the morning, always use SPF to protect active ingredients and your skin. At night, choose a slightly richer moisturizer or a few drops of face oil to lock in the actives and support repair. If you experience redness or stinging, stop the active serums immediately. Switch to a gentle, barrier repair moisturizer. Wait until symptoms calm. Then reintroduce one product at a time to identify the trigger and avoid repeating the irritation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.